Welcome to The Explainer. I'm absolutely thrilled you're here. Today, we're tackling a high-stakes reality that almost every busy professional or small business owner has faced at least once. Picture this. You're working away, the coffee's hot, you are totally in the zone, and suddenly, boom, disaster strikes. Your screen goes pitch black, or your system just grinds to this agonizing halt. And naturally, it only ever seems to happen when you haven't saved your document in, 3 hours, right? In today's fast-paced work environment, a sudden tech failure isn't just a minor inconvenience. It's a full-blown crisis. You need it fixed, and you need it fixed right now.
Okay, let's dive into this. We all know that absolute stomach-dropping panic of a laptop crashing right before a major deadline. You're just staring at that blank screen, and the core dilemma instantly hits you. Do you pick up the phone and frantically call a mobile tech to come to your office, or do you pack up your fragile machine, brave the traffic, and drag it over to a repair shop? It's a genuinely tough call, and making the wrong choice here can cost you precious time, money, and potentially even your most sensitive data. Here is your quick roadmap to solving this IT crisis. 1. The repair dilemma. 2. The showdown. 3. When to stay home. 4. When to visit the shop. 5. Choosing a reliable service. And 6. Costs and key takeaways. Let's get to it.
Section 1. The repair dilemma. Downtime is the enemy.
If you're running a business in a bustling hub like Ho Chi Minh City, time is quite literally money. With tightly packed schedules, you simply cannot afford to be offline. The source puts it perfectly. A sudden laptop failure can cause serious work interruptions, leading to lost revenue and reduced productivity. We aren't just talking about a broken screen or a slightly slow hard drive here. We're talking about your actual business grinding to a complete halt. Minimizing that downtime is absolutely the crucial metric for success when you're choosing your repair route.
Section 2. The showdown. At home versus in-shop. Let's look at what each approach brings to the table. At-home repair. It offers incredible agility. It boasts high convenience, direct transparency because you can literally watch the technician work, and safe data since your hard drive never leaves your site. In contrast, in-shop repair brings out the heavy machinery. We're talking specialized tools, the ability to execute deep hardware fixes, and a massive parts inventory that's just ready to go.
Now, what's really interesting about this slide is how clearly it draws the battle lines. When you put them head-to-head across these key metrics, at-home repair wins decisively on immediate convenience and data safety. You don't lose precious time traveling, and you monitor the whole process firsthand. But in-shop repair clearly dominates when it comes to handling complex hardware issues and having immediate access to a massive variety of parts. A shop might take 1 to 3 days, sure, but they have the resources for those massive, complex overhauls.
Section 3. When to stay home. The home fixes.
Okay, let's check your symptoms. If you're experiencing severe lag, frustrating Wi-Fi drops, or maybe your fans are just clogged with dust, do not pack up your laptop. Seriously, sit tight. Software bugs, fresh Windows installs, and light hardware maintenance can all be handled by a tech right at your desk. The exact same goes for virus removal or those super annoying glitches with your Office printer or Outlook. A mobile tech can fix these efficiently without you ever leaving your office chair, totally eliminating your travel downtime.
Section 4. When to visit the shop. The heavy-duty fixes.
I need to urgently advise you here. If your screen stays completely black when you hit the power button, or worst nightmare, you just had a massive coffee spill right across your keyboard, a mobile tech simply cannot fix that in your living room. A dead mainboard or severe water damage absolutely requires a shop's BGA chip soldering tools and ultrasonic alcohol baths to clean out the corrosion. They need specialized measurement devices like oscilloscopes and multimeters to trace out hidden electrical faults. And here's another major reason why shops are sometimes mandatory. They perform stress tests. This means they run intensive diagnostic software like Firmark for your graphics card or MemTest86 for your RAM for 24 to 48 hours straight in a tightly controlled environment. This is exactly why a deep hardware fix takes 1 to 3 days. It validates the shop's process for ensuring your laptop actually has long-term stability and isn't just going to crash again the very minute you take it home.
Section 5. Choosing a reliable service. Avoiding the scams.
So, the crucial point is, when navigating a fast-paced market like Ho Chi Minh City, you have got to follow this 4-step checklist to prevent scams, part swapping, and those nasty unexpected fees. First, verify they have a clear physical address. Even if they're coming to your home, a real address proves they aren't some ghost operation. Second, get a transparent, upfront quote before a single tool touches your machine.
Third, demand a written warranty. A verbal promise means absolutely nothing. And fourth, require that the tech has at least 5 years of experience, especially with business class machines, so they diagnose the issue accurately the very first time.
And I want to highlight this number 2. 2 hours is the rapid response time benchmark for top-tier IT help desk services arriving at your door in a city like Ho Chi Minh. This really highlights the incredible speed of modern mobile support. Honestly, if they can't commit to a fast response, they aren't treating your downtime with the urgency it deserves.
Section 6. Costs and key takeaways. Budgeting for the fix. And this brilliantly illustrates exactly what you should expect to pay based on current market rates in Ho Chi Minh City. As you can see, basic at-home maintenance is incredibly affordable. Getting new thermal paste or a fresh Windows install will only run you between 100,000 to 300,000 VND. But as you move down the list to major hardware replacements, things that almost always require a shop, the costs scale up pretty quickly. An SSD upgrade or a full screen replacement can push anywhere from 1 million to 3.5 million VND. Knowing these tiers right off the bat prevents you from being overcharged.
We have covered a lot of ground today, from diagnosing those initial symptoms to breaking down the exact costs. So I want to leave you with this. Next time your screen goes black right before a huge deadline, will you choose the convenience of your living room or the heavy machinery of the repair shop? You now have the structured data you need to build your very own personalized IT contingency plan. Thank you so much for joining me on this explainer, and stay curious.